Iberia Parish in south-central Louisiana, central Jefferson Davis Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southwestern Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, northern Vermilion Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:44 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fenton to Riceville to Delcom.
Central Iberia Parish in south-central Louisiana, central Jefferson Davis Parish in southwestern Louisiana, southwestern Acadia.
Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Abbeville, Jennings, Kaplan, Welsh, Lake Arthur, Gaydon, Mermentau, Fenton, Ford Island, Avery Island, Klondike, Erep, Delcom, Morse, Wright, Jefferson Island, Henry, Riceville, Moe, and Buller. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. At 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the center of Tropical Storm Nick was located near latitude 43.9.
For your protection, move